Should I do like the X Factor thing where you go like that? Hi, I'm Lawrence, and this is my 1998, what car is it again? Toyota Supra. Hi, I'm Lawrence, and this is my 1998 Mark IV Supra. It started out from the factory as a genuine twin-turbo 6-speed, and it was still a twin-turbo 6-speed when I bought it back in 2018. Since then, I've done a full single turbo conversion on it. It's currently running 651 brake at the moment on 1.4 bar of boost. I'm running a Precision 6266 Gen 2 dual ball bearing turbo. I've done plenty of other things. I've kind of mixed and matched loads of different parts together. I've got a Powerhouse Racing log manifold, 46mm external wastegate with a screamer pipe. I decided to go with the SSI Super Specialist Island intake manifold with the 90mm throttle body. In regards to injectors, I'm running a 1000cc injector dynamics. Yeah, fucking next. It's running a billets flywheel, RPS flywheel. I think it's a Synergy, and a RPS clutch as well. It's really heavy, and exhaust is a Blitzner spec back box. It's 3-inch straight through. Future plans for the car. As it stands at the moment, it's running 651 on 1.4 bar, but I'm pulling the engine this winter to get a full engine refresh done. That's seals, gaskets, water pump, oil pump, full fluids as well. And need to bear in mind it's a 22-year-old engine that I'm trying to push this power out of, so I just want to give it a bit of a spruce up. But after it's done that, I'm going to look at upping the boost to 1.6 to 1.8 bar, and I'm currently running 651 at 1.4 bar. So if I up the boost to 1.8, it should see me around 800. Fingers crossed nothing goes catastrophic on the dyno, but we'll see. Chop! When I got the car back in 2018, it had a Redux front bumper on and J-spec side skirts. Originally I thought, right, I'll go with the full Redux look, and I'd actually bought the over fenders for the rear, but I decided against it with it being a genuine twin turbo shell. I didn't want to end up butchering the shell, so I decided to go with the OEM look instead. So that's the result. Oh, and also I need to take into consideration that the diff's like only a small case diff, so I can't do any burnouts. Cut to the burnout!
I think we call that a wrap.
Oh, thank God for that.